Salam doston, hi friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 15. So today we'll talk about some classroom objects and we'll start with pen, хома, ручка, хома, or ручка. Ручка is from Russian, but it's more common. So my pen is new. Хомаи ман наваст. And more common way would be ручкаи ман наваст. Pencil, қалам. So there is a pencil in the box. Дар қутӣ қалам ҳаст. Rubber or eraser. хаткӯркунак. And хат means a line and кӯр кардан is to erase. So хаткӯркунак. And a sentence, may I borrow your eraser? метавонам хаткӯркунаки шуморо бигирам? And for us, in the north part, it's too formal. So we would say хаткӯркунакатонро гирам майлашми. Notebook. дафтар. I record all my thoughts in a notebook. ҳамаи фикрҳоямро дар дафтар қайд мекунам. And we don't need man here at the beginning because фикрҳоям ends with yam, which means man. So we don't need to say it twice. And if it's you, it will be фикрҳоят. So it ends with yat. Paper. қоғаз. Sign this paper and return it. Ба ин қоғаз имзо кунед ва гашта диҳед. Book. китоб. So I think this book is worth reading. Ман фикр мекунам ки ин китоб сазовори хондан аст. Dictionary. луғат. Can you recommend a good dictionary? метавонед ягон луғати хуберо тавсия диҳед? Backpack. ҷузвдон. But usually people say sumka. It's again from Russian and it's more common. So imagine a situation you are at the airport and you just say, I just have my backpack. And in Tajik it will be ман танҳо як ҷузвдон дорам. Exercise. машқ. Exercise can be done in the classroom or at home. машқро метавонед дар синфхона ё дар хона анҷом диҳед. Homework. вазифаи хонагӣ. I did my homework yesterday evening. ман дирӯз бегоҳ вазифаи хонагии худро иҷро кардам. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. То дидан.